Welcome to my YouTube channel Ultimate Home Tutors. Today we'll discuss about PHP strings. Okay, PHP strings means what? The function that is used to manipulate the string. Okay, there are means some functions are listed here like str, len, then some useful functions that we use in uh, number of times in programming. So that I will discuss with you that strlen to calculate the length of the string. Okay, then strw count, word count, that is used to count the number of words in your given string. Then str reverse, that we use that we use for reverse of the string. Str pause, that we use for search for the text within a string. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one this all five strings that we manipulate. With the help of that we can manipulate the string. So we'll start now. So I'm going to my editor, supply text, and just move. Okay, and just remove this old code. Just I will just show you and save as a new file we create, string.php. Okay, let me create this string.php and we'll start now. Just first explaining what is this. Sorry, this first explaining strlen means what? Strlen, length of the string. It will give an output. So I just explain this like a name. Okay, I just declare variable name equal to uh, putting here welcome to my city. Okay, I'm just putting this code string here and just using echo strlen uh, len dollar. Okay, put it here and run it. Save. Okay, go here and found this one. Five. Oh, so another code. And what is string.php? So it calculating my string and outputting 18. So 18 is my output. It can answer that 18 is printed here. This I will actually calculate the number of letters. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. It's 18. Okay, you understand that what is the use of this strlen. It will calculate the length of the string. Whatever the string you have to calculate the length of string. Then we'll calculate the word. So str underscore word the underscore count. This will work for you. So just put it here. Echo. Not we have to not use the string. How to str underscore word. Okay, count this function. So I'm just putting here dollar name. Okay, I'm just calculating how many words are there. Okay, so save and run. So it output 4, but 4 is output, but we put a break line here. So echo put here. Okay, so save and run. You get count 4. Just check it out that our output is 4 is not 1, 2, 1 word. It's 1 word. The second 2, 4. This is what the 4 words are there. So it's calculating 4 words. So next we'll discuss about what is that strrev that we use to reverse the string. Just typing here same string, I have to reverse it. So echo, so I'm typing here strrev or sometime the name. Okay, and printing here. So it will save print output. So city my to, so it will means what, reversing the string. So I just put it here. This br put here again. So just put here, yeah, and save and do this. Okay, so it will reversing each and every word. Okay, each and every word, and also the sequence of the words. Next, we'll discuss about the strpos. It is used search for a text. Okay, strpos, and note it down. Strpos. I'm using here again break tag, then echo, echo. I'm using here some strpos. Okay, what is the string that I have to pass it out? I'm just putting here name of the string, name. Okay, and needle, I just find it to be ci. Okay, ci just to find it out. So I just put here save and run. Oh, ci is assuming to be undefined. Warning is there. Okay, ci is not defined, so just use it city. Save. Okay, user defined constant city assumed to be city, and the output is 14. 14 output is there. Means what? Here only this city is there. So it printing me that 14, after 14 keyword it will be the printing. Okay, this is here. For search for text within string, the first character position is a string. Okay, is 0 and then 1. So we can use strpos search for a text within a text string is useful or not. Then we'll use str replace, str underscore replace. The same thing we have to use it. I'm just putting again here echo. Then I'm using echo str underscore replace. Okay, the search, what is the search replace? I just want to search city keyword. City, just want to replace my place. Okay, and the subject, whatever the subject is, my dollar name. Okay, and just put it here, save, then start. So it will giving me output that welcome to my my place, my place. Okay, so line number 18 giving me output warning undefined constant my place, assumed to be my place. And it's giving me an output that my place is replaced. Okay, there are so many means things that we can use the string manipulation function. Okay, then again there are some replacement echo statement are there. Echo, I'm just using string str string underscore. These are the some means what uh, uh, repeat, replace. Okay, just we use as repeat. Input, input whatever the input, like I'm giving an input like dollar name, I'm giving name, and multiplier will be 4. Okay, just save it, save and run. Okay, it will printing multiple times like welcome to my city, welcome to my city. Just like only just put it here br echo br. Okay, just printing here, save, happens string.php here, save. I'm using repeat function, just print it here. Okay, it's printing how many times? 4 times. Welcome to my city, welcome to my city, welcome to my city, this word. So I think so you understand very well. So we'll meet in next lecture. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, so that will motivate to me. Okay, thank you, we'll meet in next lecture.